So let's just talk about URL parameter in React Router. So the URL parameters allows us to pass dynamic segment into the URL. So suppose we have one user's route with the path /user. Now in the route configuration we can define parameters. So we can use one colon, and after that we can have our parameter. So here ID is the parameter. So with this path we can target unique users with different IDs, and then we can use the useParams hook and we can access this ID parameter. So here we're gonna create one route with the URL parameter. So the path will be /users, and then we can use the colon and we can define the parameter in that URL. And for this URL we're gonna render the element user details. Now we have to define this component user details. So right here we're gonna define that. So this will simply going to return one h1 with the unique user ID. Now to access the ID from this parameter we have to use the useParams hook. So the useParams hook will return the ID from that URL parameter. Now we can print that unique ID right here inside that header. So for the route users /ID we're gonna render this user details component, and here we're just gonna simply print the user ID that we receive in the URL parameter. So we are currently on the home page. So if we go to /users and then if we pass some unique ID of the user, like if we pass 1, so you can see we're getting the h1 with the unique user ID that we have passed in the URL. Similarly also we can pass another parameter like 10, and this will return the h1 with that unique user ID. So this is the way we can define URL parameters. So there are several advantages of using this URL parameter. So first of all, we can perform dynamic routing, and then we can simply access the data from the URL parameter using the useParams hook. So hope you understand about the URL parameters in React Router. See you in the next one. Take care.